The PVY Libon electric bike offers an impressive mix of smart design, modern features, and serious commuting practicality, all in a compact folding form. At its core, this e-bike stands out with a belt drive system, a rare feature in folding models, which is highly valued for its smooth, silent operation and ultra-low maintenance. Unlike traditional chain setups, the belt drive doesn't require lubrication and lasts significantly longer, often exceeding 20,000 miles. This makes it ideal for daily commuters who prioritize convenience and reliability. What truly sets the Libon apart is its dual battery configuration. With two batteries, one 374Wh housed discreetly inside the oversized seat post, and another 360Wh tucked into the main frame beam. The total capacity comes to a substantial 734Wh. For a folding bike, that's almost unheard of. PVY claims a theoretical range of up to 260 kilometers on a full charge, though real-world riding will more likely yield 100 to 120 kilometers depending on conditions like terrain, rider weight, and pedal assist level. Even so, the extended range significantly reduces charging frequency, giving riders added freedom for longer commutes or weekend rides. The Libon is powered by a 250W rear hub motor with a torque sensor, an essential upgrade over cadence sensors for a more natural and responsive riding experience. It adjusts power output based on how hard you pedal, offering smoother acceleration and better control in stop-and-go traffic. The full-color BN02N display provides real-time data on speed, battery life, assist level, and trip stats, all within an intuitive interface that pairs with a dedicated smart app for even greater customization and ride tracking. Despite packing two batteries and a motor, the Libon remains impressively lightweight at just 16 kilograms. That's a major benefit for those who need to carry the bike upstairs, lift it into a car trunk, or navigate crowded public transport. Its foldable design is compact, and thanks to an integrated coaster wheel beneath the bottom bracket shell, it can be wheeled like a suitcase when folded, adding a new layer of practicality for urban mobility. The mechanical disc brakes provide solid stopping power, while the inclusion of a front suspension fork helps cushion bumps and road vibrations, contributing to a smoother and more stable ride. Front lights enhance nighttime visibility, although the lack of included mudguards and rear rack might be a downside for some commuters. These can usually be added with aftermarket accessories, depending on frame compatibility. In all, the PVY Libon is a thoughtfully designed folding electric bike that delivers on range, convenience, and innovation. Its lightweight build, quiet belt drive, smart connectivity, and dual battery setup make it particularly well-suited for tech-savvy city riders who want a reliable, compact, and low-maintenance solution for daily transportation. Whether you're commuting across town, tackling long distances, or simply looking for a stylish and efficient way to navigate urban streets, the Libon holds its ground as a standout option in the e-bike landscape.